Okay, good day guys. So today our Java tutorial is about Java abstraction. So the abstraction that we will discuss today is about abstract classes and abstract method. So what is abstract? What is abstract class and what is abstract method? And then what's the purpose of the data abstraction? Okay, so data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. So we have this class, we have these properties and the methods of the class. We will not show all the information of the class. We will only show those essential methods of the class, and that's the purpose of abstraction. Okay, so there are two important keywords in the there is one important keyword in the data abstraction. Okay, that is abstract keyword in Java. Okay, so there are two concepts that we need to understand in data abstraction. The first one is abstract class and abstract method. So what is abstract class? Is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from another class. So if you try to go back to our uh, example before, so this is a class, public class person. We can call this class or we can instantiate new person once we already created the class, right? So like this one, person p1 new person. But here in abstract class is restricted class cannot be used to create an object. So this one we created an object p5 as a new person. So we created an object p5 as a new person. But when we change this one into an abstract class, let's try to check it, change it. So the class is abstract, therefore this one is no longer accessible, as the error in the netbeans stated that person is abstract cannot be instantiated. So we can only instantiate abstract class in another class, or to access it, it must be inherited from another class. So that's the concept of data abstraction. Okay, so we already created a person which is an abstract person, and then we will make this one as an abstract class anyway. So another important concept of abstract class, we need to have at least one abstract method. Abstract method can only be used in a abstract class, and it does not have a body. The body is provided by the subclass inherited from. Okay, so like example, we need to make a class that will display the information of the person. Okay, so to do that, to make an abstract class, we can write public abstract void, or void display information of the person. And abstract class has no body, so you need to end it with semicolon. Okay, so this is an abstract class, abstract method. Okay, so this is an abstract method. There is no body of the abstract method, just the method header only. Okay, so this is the example of body of the class. How to the implementation of this abstract method the is in the subclass of the person. Okay, so let's try. Do we have another subclass of a person here? No. So let's try to create an abstract an a subclass of the person. Okay, like faculty. Okay, we have this faculty, and then we cannot instantiate abstract class, but we can inherit using extend keyword. So we are now inheriting whatever inside of the person. As you can see, there is a information about overriding all the abstract method of the person. So we need to implement all the abstract method of the person. Once you click, so we have now overriding the person or the method inside of the person abstract class. So I will display like all the information of the person. So this is an abstract class. I will add I have this toString. Can I write here like super that toString? Okay. So super means the super class. This one. ToString is the method inside of the person class. This one. Okay. So I am overriding the abstract method inside of the abstract person class. Always remember that if you have an abstract class, and once you extend once you extend that abstract class, all of the abstract methods inside of that super class, which is abstract class, should be override. So like this one, we override. If we have two abstract methods here, we need to override those two abstract methods inside of this subclass. Okay? So now, let's try to instantiate inside of this one, like can we instantiate person now? Person like P1. Can we instantiate? The answer is no, because again, person class cannot be instantiated because this is an abstract class. See? Okay? So, but we can access all of the information using the subclass. So, we can declare student1 is T1 as a new student. Oh no, faculty, not student. Faculty F1 equals new faculty. Okay. No, why did I put the body? This should be semicolon. Okay. And then F1 that I will set the first name. As you observe, there is no first name here, right? But there is a first name in the person, first name and last name. Since faculty is a subclass of the person, it will inherit these two property. Okay? So I will set the first name like Cardo. And then F1 that's set last name Dalisay. Okay? And then we will call the method one that display information. Let's check the display information void to string. here is string to string. Okay, run the program. It should be put in the cout because the return type is void. Okay, what the heck? Ah, my god. Let's check again. Cout remove f1 dot display information. What's the error? Void type not allowed here. Okay. Faculty is a void. This is let's check the person if the person is kinda I should write a string here. Okay, I will change this one into string. Faculty this one should be string. There should be return here, and the return type of toString is a string. Okay, so when we go here, yeah, it's okay. Format, run the program, and it will display the information of the person or the faculty information. So that's the concept of abstraction. So you need to hide something that you don't want to show it to the public, and that's the concept of abstraction. Okay, and the next part is interface, and I will discuss that one in the next video.